The morning time like now, actually has a door to barakas, to blessings. And one of its blessings is the blessing of rizq. That is why the discussion about rizq should be included within the discussion about blessings, since rizq is only one of the meanings of the word blessings itself. According to the hadith of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam that was narrated by a noble Sahaba named Sakhr, he said that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam made the following dua for all of us, his ummah: Allahumma barik li ummati fi bukuriha, meaning, oh Allah, bless my people in their early mornings. So the morning time itself is full of blessings. And since we are now within the morning time, during this time, we are within the shade of the Prophet's dua. That is within the shade of the morning blessings. The narrator himself, Sakhr, applied this dua to his business. Early in the morning, he sent his employees to the market to open his shop. Early in the morning, right after fulfilling his duty as a Muslim in the masjid, he rushed up to open his shop. Why did he take pains to open his shop that early? What was in it for him? Those blessings, the blessings of the morning. And Sakhr proved it. He became a successful businessman, a wealthy businessman. Money or wealth is only a part of the discussion about blessings. Therefore, rush up to get much blessings of the morning. A noble Sahaba, Abdullah ibn Abbas radiallahu anhu, once saw his child sleeping around duha time. Realizing that it was duha time, the father reprimanded the child. Abdullah ibn Abbas advised his child, would you sleep while Allah is providing rizq? So if you sleep during duha time, you will miss your rizq. Why? Because you're sleeping while Allah distributes it. That is how it works. And that was the advice of a great man, mashallah, Abdullah ibn Abbas, a great alim within the Sahaba. He said that the blessings are distributed in the morning due to the dua of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So sleeping in the morning is a great loss.